Yes. So I'm back with another video. I just wanted to come with my receipts and come with proof. I wanted, it's one thing to say something, but it's also another to back up what you're saying to be as true or facts. You know what I mean? People can tell you things all day long, but if they don't have no evidence to back up what they're saying, then you know what I mean. It doesn't hold as much weight. So the company that I'm promoting, that I've been talking about for the last few days now, it's right here. So step 2. Okay, I don't know. Wait, hold on. Let me scroll up. It says, "We save you money." Right? Click here for your review. All right. Check this out. We saved $62,000 on our 13 Papa John's stores, right? With no switching services. Thank you, right? Look at that. All right. See this? Look. Facts. Get your free savings review. Look at this. What kind of bills can we do? Business and residential. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all this. Right? Look at this. Get your I don't know, hopefully people can see this good. You know what I'm saying? Get your free money, right? We can help lower your what? Number 1, mobile cell phone, telecom, TV, internet, landline, satellite TV, satellite radio, right? Payroll, merchants accounts, security systems, storage units, right? Web services, waste management, lawn care, pet control, right? Look at this. Information technology services, subscription membership, water delivery, right? Gallon, bottle, etc. Look at this. Look at this. Staffing, heating oil, propane, gas, other recurrent bills. Okay? We do not lower these bills: rent, mortgage, utility bills, credit cards, car payments, medical bills, student loans. But check this out. Let's see. Auto insurance and home insurance are done through another savings portal, not by this service. Okay. Average residential savings equal $500 to $2,000. Average business savings equal $5,000 to $20,000. Get your free savings review. Right? Look at this. Real people, real savings. These right here are all the testimonials right here with what people are saying. I'm not going to read all this, but you get my point, right? Okay, I guess I can read a little bit. So let's see. You can read it yourself. Look. Timothy Jones. Congrats to Robert. He saved $1,080 on lower my bills. That's awesome. SHG in the house. Look at that. Look at the real testimonials. Here's another one. Proof. You have to come with receipts. Evidence. It's powerful. Look at this. Congratulations to my grandson, right? Duran Carsby. Another satisfied lower your bills customer. He just saved over $2,300. And the list goes on and on. I'm not going to read all this, I just wanted to come with my proof. I wanted to come with my receipts. So I am going to leave the link in the description of this video. Anybody, whoever wants to get their bills lowered, you know what I'm saying, and save money, because a penny saved is a penny earned. And if you want to put money back into your pocket and also be able to create an income stream on while doing so, click on the link below and pretty much I'm not going to say get started right away, because this may or may not resonate with you. But if this resonates with you, and if you want to be able to save money as soon as possible, then sign up as soon as you can. But do your diligence and do your homework first, and make sure that this is a good fit for you. But I don't see why it wouldn't be a good fit for anyone. I don't see why anyone wouldn't want to save money and earn money. But till next time, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.